Surviving tectonic hazards, as well as understanding how earthquakes and volcanoes, which are often referred to as tectonic hazards, occur, it is important to also understand how the hazards affect people and how people try to cope with the dangers associated with these hazards. People live in earthquake and volcanic zones. Volcanic lava and ash make the soil fertile, so people settle and farm nearby. In volcanic zones, you will find precious minerals and fossil fuels. Land is also cheap in volcanic and earthquake zones, and people feel safer with the technological advancements, like earthquake-proof houses. Studies that have been done have shown us that there are a lot of people who live in earthquake zones, so many in fact, that it would be very difficult to rehouse them, plus many wouldn't want to leave anyway. Volcanic activity can heat the underground, which forms hot water springs on the Earth's surface. This water can be used to heating houses, hot water supplies, and producing electricity. Scientists do try where possible to predict hazards in advance. With predicting volcanic eruptions, scientists monitor the signs that go before a volcanic eruption. The signs that help us know of volcanic eruptions are lots of small earthquakes, rising magma detected under the Earth's surface, escaping gas, increased magma temperature, and changes in tilt of the volcano sides. With predicting earthquakes, it can be harder to predict, but these are the signs that scientists look for: changes in well water levels, gas emissions, cracks appearing in rocks, and according to some studies, even changes in animal behavior. Good planning helps reduce the effects of a hazard. Monitoring helps predict when hazards are coming, so people can have advanced warning. Families can organize supplies of food and water rations, dust masks, spare clothes, basic medical supplies, shelters, batteries, torches, mobile phones, and other useful things. Local emergency services like the police, fire brigade, and ambulance services can be well prepared to deal with and support with any hazard. Disaster plans are drawn up by the local authorities and governments. These are practiced to help reduce the damage, death, and injury. Making information on emergency procedures can be made available to the public. These can be in the form of adverts, brochures, and pamphlets. Emergency supplies of water and power can be organized in advance. Building and road designs can be planned and implemented for earth movements so that they do not collapse under the strain of the hazard. By strengthening roads and railways, this can also help reduce the impact and damage of a hazard.